Hey, forget Canva, Photoshop for designing your ad creatives. Yes, you heard right. It's now 2025. We are using AI create ad creatives in just few clicks. Even if you have no experience, no worry. So let's get started. Just need one tool. It's called growtake AI. So in this tool, it not just create your ads, it might be launch and optimize your ads all over the social media platform. So for this video, we will be see how we can create ads for your business. So let's get started. Now you can see all of the platform, but we just need creative hub, and here we just need to create ads. Okay, so here is a lot of features, but we in this video we are focusing on ad images. Okay, just click on this add image section. We need to generate ad creative, upload your brand logo, your website, and just your images. So we just upload some sample images. I quickly add some sample images around 4 to 5. Now our website, and you can choose your color. Now next, all the things done by AI, and now our work is done. Our AI will automatically prepare the ad copy, prepare the creatives, and also get together. It's create some image ads for your business, for your advertisement. So let's see. So now you can see step by step it will generate some images, and not just that, it also give you different formats also. So that's why you can use it for any format. Okay, so now you can see it will give you very good design, but we need more. If you want more and more design, it will be there. So now this is for story, and if you think okay, I need to change some color, I need to change something, and it will be very flexible, you can change anything. For now I need to change something, so just click on this button. So if you think you need to change the color of this image, you can change this color. If you think okay, I need to change something, just for example $1 trial, you can change anything, like it's very flexible. Okay, and what you need to do, and just click save. AI generate the proper ad, but it's also be editable options. Now I think probably it will be there. Yes, it will be there. So if you think you need more and more type of images, you need to change anything, it will be very flexible. Now you can see this. Okay. And if you think, okay, I need more and more, you just click on generate more, and you can see the type of like design and the ads, like growtake I will provide. And within just few minutes, what we need to do, just upload some few reference images, and everything is done. Okay. So for now it's an image. So if you think okay, I need to create video ads, it's also be there AI UGC videos. So how it's, I will show you. So for this video I'm not give you the creation process, because it's very simple. Type your brand and your website, everything is done by AI, and you can create this type of videos.
Imagine stumbling upon a hidden sanctuary where every note of your favorite song plays with crystal clear.
Okay, this type of, and it's very easy to create. And also you can create your video ads just like this, and here you can just upload some images, your color, and also you can go with the duration. Next, next, and just next. AI will start creating some video ads for your. So it just create for now too. So let me show you. Okay, it's really good. There's another one. Okay, I think it's really good. So different type of videos it will create. You can test your own things by just experimenting some stuff. Okay, next this one. Okay, that's great. So you can see this is the thing. And by the way, one thing, it can be editable. Just click on this little pencil button. If you think you need to change anything, or you need to change any, like add anything, you can do that. Okay. But 90% work done by AI. If you think you need to change something, you can do, and just click save. Okay. And not just that, it I just show you the creative sites, but growtake AI is more than that. Here you can create your ads, just like here you can see all of the platform growtake AI support, and you can launch your ads and also manage your ads. And the best part, all of the things is AI powered. So if you are really think you need to have create creative run ads, you can literally try growtake AI for once. So just I will be give you some like referral link for some free day trial. So just click on that and just try growtake AI. And I hope this is very helpful for you. And also, if you like this video, hit the like button and also subscribe to our channel. And also, you can comment us for any AI marketing related content. We will be there. Okay. Thank you and bye.